Hi Stampers, my name is Carolyn Service with Sale-a-Bration.com, and I'd like to show you today how to make this cute little berry basket that I have decided to use as an Easter basket. So I've made this cute little tag with the Cheerful Critters stamp set and the hippity hop saying from the, oh, I forget the name of that greeting stamp, but I'll get it for you before the end of the video. And so I want to show you how to do this today. These in here, and let's get started. Okay, I'm going to start by showing you, this is the berry basket die cut, and I'm going to be using a cutting pad on the bottom, cardstock, which measures 5.5 by 8.5 on the top, and then another cutting pad. I'm going to bring my Big Shot in, slide this through the Big Shot. Now you will need 2 of these. So 2 pieces of cardstock that are measured 5.5 by 8.5, which will actually mean 1 large piece of cardstock. 1, I should say, regular 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock. Okay, we're going to set that aside. And so this is what you're going to get. Cut that out. So you have a piece here, a scalloped edge and a straight edge piece. You can choose whichever one you want. I'm going to choose the scalloped edge. And you're just going to poke these little slits out. And then this is the other piece that I've already prepped, and this is what you're going to need to make your basket. Okay, so right on the edge of, got something on my paper here, right on the edge of the slots there, slit slots, there is a score mark. Just want to crease that, use your bone folder to reinforce it. Okay, and then also on these little scalloped pieces, there are 2 score marks. One is pretty much right in the center, and the other is at one end. So you're just going to fold those there and there and set those aside. Okay, so to get started, what you want to do is attach the bottoms of the basket together. So I'm going to use some fast fuse. Just remember to check it at the bottom with the fast fuse so that you break the adhesive. And then you're just going to simply lay that on top. That's about right. Yeah. Okay. Okay, then I've found that what I like to do is to turn the basket over so that it's like that, and then take some glue dots, adhesive, whatever is your choice of adhesive. So I think I'm going to use a glue dot to put the rim together. So just a glue dot on the end here, attach to that little piece. And then on the other end as well, glue dot, and attach that. Okay, so then you have a piece that looks like so. Okay, then I am going to just slide that. Now, depending on which way you want your scallop to be, slide it over the way you'd like. If you want the scallop side up, then you want to put it this way. If you want the skull upside down, you're going to put it this way. And then you are going to staple. Now you can also glue this, but being that strawberry baskets are, true strawberry baskets are actually stapled, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to grab a hold of one side and make sure that I've got it even. Put a staple here, and so on both edges, both ends I should say, and here. Okay, then I'm going to come around to the other side, all the way around to the other side, and I'm going to do the same thing. And the other sides. And the last side. Make sure I've got that good. Okay, now that is your berry basket. Simple, right? Now I want to show you a couple other things that you can do with the berry basket. If you wanted, you could actually put some designer series paper on the sides. You just simply cut these out using the same template, your same die cut rather, and then just simply attach them to the sides. You could use 2 sides decorated or all 4. Another thing that you can do if you want the basket to be heavier is you can use a piece of chipboard, or I've actually used the cardboard that comes in with our designer series paper, and I have cut 2 of these, and then I used some of our multi-purpose adhesive sheets, and I simply attached the adhesive sheets to the cardboard, and then because it's sticky on 2 sides, you just peel this side off, attach it. Obviously you need one as big as this. So what I did actually was cut it with the die cut so that it exactly matched my pieces here. Okay, so now peel the backing off, attach it, and then peel the front piece off and put the designer series paper down on top of that, and then I've got an extra thick basket so that it'll hold heavier weight. And if you have any questions about that, feel free to just email me and I'll be glad to help you with that. But for now, I'm just going to show you, and I'm going to work with one that I actually added the designer paper to. So you want to add the designer paper before you put your rim on, okay, if you choose to do that. And then I made a cute little matching tag to go with it. I'm going to show you how I did that. So I used the Cheerful Critters stamp set. I'm using the little bunny rabbit here. And I am going to be using the framelit from the Chalk Talk framelits package. And so I need a cutting sheet or cutting pad, my cardstock. Actually, I want to stamp this first. Just thought of that. Stamp it first so that you can see exactly where you're punching it out. So I'm using Memento black ink. And punching it more down towards the bottom edge because I'll want room for the little hole at the top. There we go. And then I'm going to add the hippity hop because I just thought that was a very cute little appropriate saying for this card. Okay, and then I will be ready to do this. So this way you can see exactly where this is going. I am using my magnetic platform as well, so it makes it stay where I want it. Put this over the top. Now, one thing I didn't mention is when you're using framelits, there's a little edge on one side. That edge needs to go down. This side is going to be perfectly flat. Okay, and then again, I'm going to run that through my Big Shot. Just pop that out. Isn't that cute? I love the way those make tags so quick and easy. Okay, and then you can do a couple of different things here. You can just color them if you prefer to do that. Or you can use a little template with some of your matching designer paper, like so, little template. And you can just cut out a piece that matches his body like that. Okay, and I just made the template by taking again a little piece of that designer series cardboard and cut it out to match the body there, and then I used that as my template. So to make this stand out, pop out a little bit more, what I want to do is to take the Coastal Cabana, which is the color cardstock that I'm using in this basket, okay, and just gonna sponge around the edges here. And then I'm also going to take the Coastal Cabana marker, and I'm just going to draw inside the words hippity hop. Color, I should say, color inside the words hippity hop, just to make them stand out a little bit more. And then I'm also going to go around the edge of the sign. I used the fine right tip to go inside the letters, but I'm using the paintbrush tip to go around the edge of the sign. There we go. And like I said, you can color this part in if you like, or you can make a template and fill it in with designer series paper so that you get the idea of what both of them look like. I'm just going to color this real quick. If you're coloring with your markers, make sure that you're using the sides of your markers so that you don't fray your tip out. Okay. All right, and then what I did here was I just used some of our white, I don't know what you call this ribbon, I'm so sorry, but all of this information, the supplies, will be listed on the blog. There will be a link to my blog underneath the video, so you can check that out. The item number on this is 137904. What I like about it is it's really easy to cut, it's really easy to fray, so you can make all kinds of fun things with it, using it on cards or as bows. Then I also used the rhinestones here. These are the Bermuda Bay rhinestones. They're called sequins, actually, sequin trim. And okay, so this actually, I'm seeing this now, is called jute ribbon, width 1 1/4 inch. And then to wrap it all up, I used some of the free ribbon from our Sale-a-Bration promotion, which is on page 4. in our Sale-a-Bration catalog, see here. Also, the designer series paper that I used on the basket is the Best Year Ever designer series paper. Also another free item that you can get with a $50 order. And then I'm just going to put, I filled it with some malted Easter eggs, malt balls. That in there. Also used one of our gusseted cellophane bags here. And there you are, cute little Easter basket. Hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Again, my name is Carolyn Service with O2Bstampin.com. I am at your service, so if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Happy stamping!